welcome to my channel, guys. And today we're going to take a look at 8 or 9 brand new Cydia tweaks that just got dropped yesterday and today, and I already downloaded on my device. They're working just fine. There's no issue, there's no problem. And you guys always know that first I download the tweaks on my device and I make sure they work fine and there's no issue, there's no problem with it, and then I decide to make a video and bring those tweaks to you guys. Now before we start this video and before we dive into these Cydia tweaks, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So what we're gonna do, like always, we're gonna go into Cydia, and once you open up the Cydia, you can go to search bar and search for these tweaks. But what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go into install recent right there, and once we go to recent, and let me scroll all the way up, and the first Cydia tweak in this video we are going to take a look at is Grammy right here, as you guys can see. Grammy, and this actually got dropped on June 23rd 2021, as you guys can see right there. And also it is comparable with the iOS version 13.0 or later. So with this tweak, it is really awesome. And I'm going to show you guys what you can, what you cannot do with this. But first thing, as you guys can see right here, for iOS 13, 14, no iPad OS supported yet. It's only for iPhone. But as you guys can see, the feature right here, choose between control center notification or a dynamic combination of both in your app switcher. Pinch the switcher to show the control center or the notification. An option to automatically pinch to switcher. An option to tab anywhere around the switcher to dismiss it. And choose custom module for your control center. Choose a number of rows to show in control center. Scroll control center and all that. So as you guys can see, you can do all of that with this tweak. And as we can see, the screenshot on the Cydia, the first one, it shows you when you go into enable the app switcher, it gives you the control center modules, and then the second picture, it gives you the notification with the right under your app switcher. And then after that, the third one is basically control center as well, and this is the notification. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys on my device. So once you download this, exit out of the Cydia and go into your setting. And once you go to setting, go to tweak section, and we're gonna look for the tweak right here, as you guys can see. And open this up, and this is the interface. And in the interface, as you guys can see on the top right corner, you have the switch. It's gonna be on in a default, but every time you turn on or turn off, you have to respring this tweak your device for this to able to take effect. And the first option, as you guys can see right there, it says only respring for enabling and disabling this tweak. And then you got the option right here, auto pinch switcher. You can turn this on, and then you can do tap anywhere to dismiss, flip this on. And then you got the options, you have 3. So you have a control center, notification, and dynamic. Now as of right now, for my device, I set to notification only. And then what you can do, go to this option right here. Once you go to option, as you guys can see, you have these options for notification. Show no older notification, and reduce animation, and then you have the show all app notifications. So if you flip this on, every single app that have notification that will show up in your app switcher. And that's about it. I mean, there's not much to configure from. And I think from the first time when you download and mess with these Cydia tweaks, I mean these settings, all you have to do is respring, and then you active your app switcher just like this. And as you guys can see, you have the notification right here in the bottom. You can scroll and like this, and from here you can go to your actually you can dismiss the swipe to the left and clear all. There you go, it's all gone. So just like that. And this is a really awesome Cydia tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. Now if we go back into the Cydia, and the next Cydia tweak we are going to take a look at is Peanuts right here. As you guys can see right here, Peanut is a flat design based icon, handcuffed with iPhone style. Icon can be combined with dark or light color on the home screen of your iOS device, so that it makes your device look beautiful and intentional. Contact and include 260 plus icon, keep continue update, comparable with iOS 7.0 all the way to 14.6. Use iThemer or a snowboard for best result. So basically, if you have a Cydia, you can download the snowboard, and if you're using the Cilio or Zebra, then I will suggest for you to download iThemer. It will work best with those. And as you guys can see, the side note right here, you cannot share or describe the file as a freeable. Minimum icon request are 10 application with proof of a purchase. So basically, as you guys can see right here, you have this really awesome theme for your icon. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys on my device. And once you download this, as you guys can see, I'm using a different theme. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into snowboard, go into select theme. Actually, I'm going to have to, for some reason, the snowboard application not working. So you have to go to setting and go to tweak section, and then go scroll all the way down till you see a snowboard right there. And from here, select theme. As you guys can see right here. So let's find the Peanut. As you guys can see, it's in the bottom right here. So what I'm going to do, enable it, and then apply change. And once we apply the change, we go back, and as you guys can see right there, this is the really awesome colorful theme for your icons. And in my opinion, it looked really cool, and that's why I decided to go ahead and put this theme in this video, so you guys can download and customize your home screen. And now if we go back into the Cydia, and the next Cydia tweak we are going to take a look at is the CleansSearchBarField right here. As you guys can see, CleansSearchBarField. And what this is going to do is clean up your search bar in any for example, here give you the example of the App Store. As you guys can see right there, you got the magnified glass right here, and that's about it. There's no outline, there's nothing in this screenshot. And the description right here, comparable with iOS 12, 14, and ARM64E devices 8, 12, and 14. And as you guys can see, CleansSearchBarField is a tiny tweak that makes clean the search bar text field and background inside the App Store app. And as you guys can see right there, all you guys have to do is download this. There's no option to configure from. There's nothing you have to do other than just download and check it out, and see the screenshot in the description. And that's all you have to do. Download this and it will automatically take effect in the search bar. And now the next Cydia tweak we are going to take a look at is the Bouncing app. As you guys can see right there, this is the tweak right there, Bouncing Apps. And let's start with the description. Comparable with the iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14, including the ARM64E, A12, A13, and A14 devices. And Bouncing app is a net tweak that gives the chance to choose different bouncing effect style with a custom straight inside the selected application. Select whitelist app and setting, and then configuration option in setting, and no respring needed for enabling or disabling the tweak. And you don't have to do any respring for this tweak. All you have to do is download, and this is the interface in the setting application. And as you guys can see, this was dropped June 22nd, 2021, and it is free package. And if we look all the way in the bottom right here, it tell you it is from the Big Boss repo, and it's really awesome. It works really awesome. So let me show you guys the interface and what it look like in a setting. So we're gonna go into, once you download this, go to setting and go into the tweak section, and we're gonna go into B. And as you guys can see right here, this is the tweak. And as you guys can see right there, disable the main tweak switch. So this is going to be off in the default, so you have to flip it to on. Enable the bouncing effect on selected application. So the second option right here, select whitelist apps. So if we click on that, you have access to every single application on your device, as you guys can see, just like mine. And I have turned on for mail, map, messages, music, news, notes, and phone, and photos. And then I got the App Store, calendar, then we got the camera, clock, contact, Cydia, and the CY down, and then we got the FaceTime. So you can turn on for every application, but I just turn it on just for a few, just for the purpose of this video. And then you got the this option right here, and then you got 1, 2, 3, 4 options to configure from. So all you have to do, just move this grabber right here, and set it wherever you like. So let's do this right here. We're gonna do this in the middle, and then you do have the option to respring your device, but it says right there, no respring needed for enabling and disabling the tweak switch application list. The changes are, but what I do, I just do respring my device just in case, because sometimes it's better to respring than sorry. So once we open the let's enter the password. Okay, so now it's open, and what I'm going to do, we're gonna go into, let's say, App Store right there, and as you guys can see right there, I changed the tab and open this. As you guys can see the effect right there, if I open the next, there you go, just like that. And then we're gonna go into, let's go into the Cydia and try to open the Cydia. There you go, it's open. And now if I go to tabs and right there, and let's say open this tweak right here, as you guys can see that effect, really nice bouncing effect, just like that. So that's what you get with this Cydia tweak, and I think it's really nice, really awesome. It gives a live life to your application. So I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. Now the next one we are going to talk about is let's go into install and recent, and flowing, as you guys can see right there, this is the tweak. Next one, flowing, and the flowing is basically what this does. It's really nice, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. Basically this is for your springboard fluid scrolling, and I'm going to show you guys in on my device, but let's read the description first. Flowing disable the page scrolling on springboard and allows you to scroll like a straight UI scale view, and to make it more smooth when scrolling through the pages on your springboard. And that's what you do. That's what you can do with this, and I'm going to show you guys on my device, as you guys can see right there. So these are the pages, and there you go, just like that. And then you can stop in the middle, like as you guys can see, you got two pages. You can stop anywhere you like, and as you guys can see right here, I can stop right here, just like that. So this is what you can do. Is basically really nice effect for scrolling through the page on your iOS device, and I think it's really awesome, and that's why I decided to put this in a video so you guys can have it on your device. So now the next one we are going to talk about is this one right here, Plated. And this one, what this does is basically add color to a collection. And as you guys can see right here, the description, are you a designer, iOS developer, tweak developer, theme, or a user? What do you do when you want to get a color code from a photo or icon or whatever? You have to screenshot them, expect that photo to in any app. So just read through this, and this is basically, once you download this, it will give you the application on your springboard, as you guys can see right there, this one right here. So with this, once you download this and open this up, as you guys can see, the first one, my collection. So I just downloaded it not long ago, so I haven't got a chance to go through the all and collect my collection. But if we go in the bottom, if you go to the tab, it says colors. We click on that. As you guys can see right here, on the top you got the system colors, then you got multicolors, then you got the shades of black, and then you got these shades of blue, and then you got shades of brown, gray, green, orange, and pink. You got so many on the top. You can scroll through and jump into whatever color you like. As you guys can see, I click on the gray, and as you guys can see, it changed to gray. And then if we do the brown right here, it changed to brown. And then you got the green, and then you got orange, and then you got the pink, as you guys can see. And what you can do, if you look in the bottom right here, under each color, it gives you the color code. As you guys can see, Hawks hashtag 9F2B68, and then it's RGB. And as you guys can scroll down, there's so many different colors under each option. And then if you tap on the further right in the bottom right corner, right here, as you guys can see, it gives you this kind of platters for your colors. And this is really awesome and really handy. And all you have to do, click on the platter, and then you get this option. Select which color code you want to copy with the clipboard, and then you got the option copy X volume, copy RGB volume, or copy UI color volume. And then you got the copy UI color volume, and then you got the copy UI color volume objective. So let's do the RGB, and as you guys can see, you got the message you saved. And if we go back into our notes right there, if I open up the new page, tab, paste, as you guys can see right there, first color RGB 103, 178, 111. Second color is that. They give you both of the code for the color. This is a really awesome Cydia tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. And now we're gonna go back into the Cydia, and we're gonna take a look at the next Cydia tweak. And the next one going to be this one right here, Unigue. As you guys can see right there, Unigue. And what this basically does, if we go in a little bit down and look at the description, whenever you need to copy your device UDID, you have to open your favorite package manager to copy the UDI, then paste it elsewhere. Is pretty annoying. So with Unigue, all you need to do is swipe up on the keyboard while it's present, so it will paste your device UDID automatically. No option needed to configure. So as you guys can see right here, there's a little video right here, you can watch that. And as you guys can see right there, you got the image of keyboard right here, and as you guys can see right there, the screenshot of the UDID. That's how you do, and you get your UDID for your device. It's really awesome Cydia tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. And now the next one we are going to take a look at is this one right here, CameraMobile, CameraMobile. And what this does is basically comparable with iOS 14, hide camera bar, no option to configure from. So all you have to do, download this tweak and go to your camera and check this one out. So this is, as you guys can see, the picture right here, before and after. So as you guys can see, before you have this dark background and white letters, but and after, once you download this tweak, and afterward, as you guys can see, it remove that ugly looking bar on the top. On the top, it kind of make it smaller, but in the bottom, it completely kind of remove it, and you have little shade right in the bottom. So it's like, you know, you have more access of the camera screen. So this is really awesome. You guys can download this one and check this one out. And the next one is really important, and this is basically the tweak that I'm going to show you guys right now. It is available on iOS 15, but thanks to this developer, he made it possible so you can download on your jailbroken device and have it. And this is Magnifier App Enabler. So as you guys can see right here, description, Magnifier App Enabler, comparability iOS 10 all the way to iOS 14. Unhide magnifier app, so it can be display on your home screen like on iOS 15. On iOS 14 you can go to setting accessibility and magnifier and enable it there instead of installing this tweak. But with this, you don't have option to configure from. All you have to do, download this and then go to your Springboard, and let me show you guys. So as you guys can see right there, you have the app now on your Springboard for Magnify Glass. So this is really awesome. It was able on iOS 15, and if you're not jailbroken, you need to update to iOS 15 to get this app. But if you're jailbroken and you have any whatever the iOS you're running on your device and you are jailbroken, you can download that tweak and have that on your home screen. And this is really awesome and really easy access from your Springboard. And I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. And at this moment, I think that's all the Cydia tweak for this video. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. That's been said. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.